Yo, we have nothing but Model 3s here. White Model 3, a red Model 3, and a black Model 3. We're actually installing the unplugged front lip spoiler on this red one here. You guys may recall I did a unboxing and even a test fit video of this front lip spoiler not too long ago on a separate video. The client wanted us to install it as is, so we're gonna do that right now.
There we go. Just kidding. Check out this montage.
Alright, so first things first is we gotta clean the bottom lip because it's kind of dirty.
No, hey, but that's not the first thing we're doing actually.
What's the first thing we're doing then?
We're taking off all the little snaps.
Alright, so we gotta take out these little stupid tabs.
They're not stupid, they're actually quite intelligent.
Good thing is that since there's tape already pre-installed for us by Unplugged, we just gotta prep those and get them ready. Ooh. Those are nice. These are really nice.
Do you want to do one? It's like the nicest snap I've ever used. Push. It's satisfying, isn't it?
Oh, it's solid. Yeah, that washer is thick and everything. So this is what it looks like outside. So it's pretty sporty. I would say the next mod I recommend for this Tesla in particular is a chrome delete, just because the wheels are black. There's a spoiler now. There's a rear diffuser that's carbon fiber, so the chrome, and there's even carbon fiber fenders badges here. The chrome does add too much of a attention to it, so I definitely would do a chrome delete on around the windows, the mirrors, and even the door handles.